Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss proteins and enzymes biochemistry MCQs part 1a. Marasmus is a form of malnutrition due to correct answer is B. Severe calorie deficiency. The daily protein requirements of an adult healthy individuals are dash. Correct answer is A. 0.8 gram per kg. An important etiological factor in kwashiorkor is correct answer is C. Dietary protein deficiency. Proteins that contain all the 9 essential amino acids are called correct option is B. Complete proteins. Oxidation of which substance in the body yields the most calories per gram? Correct answer is D. Lipids. Children with kwashiorkor usually have fatty liver. This is due to which one of the following? Correct answer is D. The lack of substrates for protein synthesis in the liver. The name of the protein that has been identified to serve as a primer for glycogen synthesis is correct answer is C. Glycogenine. Consuming 10 grams of alcohol will give you how much energy? Correct option is B. 70 calories. Kwashiorkor can result from which one of the following? Correct answer is A. Consuming a calorie adequate diet that is deficient in proteins. Similarities between carbamyl phosphate synthetase 1 and carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 include which one of the following? Correct answer is A. Carbon source. Phosphofructokinase is correct answer is B. Inhibited by ATP. Dinitrophenol is a potential inhibitor of the electron transport chain which works by correct answer is A. Uncoupling of phosphorylation from electron transfer. Glucose transporter 1 is present in which tissue? Correct answer is A. RBCs, fetus, blood-brain barrier. Rapoport Lubring shunt to produce 2 to 3 biphosphoglycerate operates as correct answer is D. Erythrocytes. Glucose transporter 2 is present in which tissue? Correct answer is B. Kidney, liver and pancreas. An eating disorder characterized as becoming too thin when persons do not eat enough because they think they are fat, and it's called correct answer is A, anorexia nervosa. Which class of glucose transporter is insulin independent? Insulin dependent. Correct answer is D, glucose transport 4. The two final products in the beta oxidation of odd chain fatty acids are option A, acetyl CoA and malonyl CoA. Correct option is C, acetyl CoA and malonyl CoA. Reactions and processes that breaks down material and transform fuels into cellular energy is called correct option is B, catabolic. Although glucose is the major sugar degraded by the glycolytic pathway, other sugars such as galactose and fructose are also often present. These sugars, correct option is C, are metabolized by the glycolytic pathway by conversion to intermediates in the pathway. The process of gluconeogenesis and glycolysis are reciprocally regulated. This means correct option is B, molecules that inhibit or activate one process often have the opposite effect on the other. The amino acid required for the formation of glutathione correct option is D, all of these. And gout, toffee are mostly made up of correct option is A, monosodium urates. The disorder in which the patients have an irresistible urge to bite their fingers and lips. Correct option is A, Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. The parent nucleotide synthesized in the biosynthesis of purines is correct option is C, IMP. The product of purine metabolism in human is correct option is B, uric acid. A fatty acid with 14 carbons will undergo how many cycles of beta oxidation? Correct answer is B, 6. When a 24 carbon even chain fatty acid is subjected to beta oxidation, how many acetyl CoA units will be produced? Correct answer is C. The oldest of all the biochemical pathways in human cells is Correct option is C, glycolysis. The synthesis of urea occurs in. Correct option is B, liver. Ketone bodies are synthesized from fatty acid oxidation products by which of the following organs? Correct option is D, liver. Dehydrogenase is involved in the HMP shunt are specific for. Correct option is A, NADP. The amino acids are said to be ketogenic when the carbon skeleton is finally degraded into. Correct option is C, acetyl-CoA. An essential for converting glucose to glycogen in the liver is. Correct option is D, UTP. In the normal resting state of humans, most of the blood glucose burnt as fuel is consumed by. Correct option is B, brain. Which of the following compounds serve as a primary link between the TCA cycle and urea cycle? Correct option is D, fumarates. Reactions of the urea cycle takes place in the liver cells. Correct answer is D, both cytosol and mitochondrial matrix. Depletion of alpha ketoglutarate during increased NH3 influx leads to the formation of. Correct option is C, glutamine. The science that deals with the interaction of nutrients in food and its relation to the maintenance, growth, reproduction, health and disease of an organism is. Correct option is A, nutrition. Food developed, grown or raised without the use of synthetic pesticide, chemicals or hormones is. Correct option is B, organic food. All of the following are characteristics of a healthy diet except. Correct option is D, calorie dense. When body mass index is 40 or above, the condition is called. Correct option is A, morbid obesity. The highest energy phosphate bond is ATP is located between which of the following groups? Correct option is B, adenosine and phosphate. The TCA cycle is deemed cyclic because of the utilization and regeneration of which one of the following? Correct option is D, oxaloacetate. Which one of the following statements correctly describes the reduction of one of the electron carriers NAD or FAD. Correct option is B. NAD accepts 2 electrons is a hybrid ion to form NADH. Starting with glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and synthesizing one molecule of pyruvate and net yield of ATP and NADH would be which one of the following? Correct option is A. 2 ATP and 1 NADH. The level of oxidative damage to mitochondrial DNA is 10 times greater than that to nuclear DNA. This could be due to, in part of, which one of the following? Correct option is D. Mitochondrial DNA lacks histones. Allosteric activation of glycogen phosphorylase B in the muscle is due to which one of the following? Correct option is A. AMP. Two important byproducts of HMP shunt are. Correct option is B. NADPH and pentose sugar. A diet containing 10 grams of proteins will give. Correct option is A. 40 kilocalories. Thank you for watching my videos.